everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, we are running through all of the recipes in the 5-ingredient Renal Diet Cookbook. All of these recipes are kidney friendly, so they're low in potassium, low in phosphorus, and low in sodium. It is available on Amazon if you want to follow along, so I'll leave a link in my caption. And without further ado, let's get into it. I have my littlest assistant. Hi, my littlest assistant with me today, so hopefully we can get through this one. We're going to be making Vienna creamy garlic Seitan. For this recipe, you're going to need Seitan. You're going to need canned coconut milk, garlic, yellow onion, and black pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. We're going to heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil on the stove over medium heat. And then once that's done heating up, we'll put on the garlic. So while I'm just waiting for that to warm up, I'm going to grab 1 garlic clove and I'm gonna mince it up and toss it in the pan and saute it for a little bit. So while the garlic is sauteing, we're gonna chop up our onion. So you're gonna need half a yellow onion. Okay, so in the photo, it has them in like strips. So I'm actually just going to chop it like this. And I'll take you over with me to the stove. Now that the garlic's starting to brown, I'm gonna put the onion. I'm just gonna break it up a little bit. While the garlic and the onion is cooking, we need to measure out 2.5 ounces of Seitan. So we're gonna do that now too. So I bought the chunked one because that's all I could find. So if you have just like the block of it and slice it, that's fine. But all I had was the chunked, so that's what we're gonna use. So we're just gonna measure out 2.5 ounces. So now I'm gonna go add my Seitan into the pan and I'll bring you with me. I'm gonna just kind of break this up and toss it in. And we're gonna just let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until you notice the Seitan kind of browning. So now that this is looking brown, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of our coconut milk. And I'm going to warm this slightly and allow the sauce to thicken. So I have it on a low heat. So once it looks about this consistency, you can take it off and we'll serve it on a plate and top it with pepper and we'll give it a try. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It looks really good. And I almost forgot to put the pepper on it. Hang on. So you're gonna put an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper on top. Really good. So I think that this is really good. I wouldn't necessarily eat this by itself. Like putting it on some coconut rice or just plain basmati rice would be really, really yummy. Pleasantly surprised with this. It tastes really good. So just a reminder, this is where I got the recipe from. It is available on Amazon. There's a link in my caption. So thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you next time.